Let's see how to download and install Discord app on your MacBook. Turn on the Wi-Fi connection and head to the browser you usually use. I just open Safari. You can literally use any browser. And click here and just type Discord, search, and open this download Discord. Okay, here we have the option to download for Mac. Just click that and allow, and that's it. Now click the download option at the right top. Here you can see it starts downloading. Just wait until it completes. Okay, now it's downloaded. Just double click over the file. Now drag and drop here. Wait. Just okay. Once you hear the sound, it's installed. Now close this completely. We don't need this anymore. And open apps. Here you can see the Discord. You just open that and wait. Click open. This is first time only it will ask. There you go. So it's automatically update the app. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about Discord app, you need to watch this playlist.